So, what one should do if, for a pure mind, for a clear mind, and to become dear to Krishna, Krishna, the supreme consciousness, the universal consciousness, the Akilatma, the Ekatma, if one has to become dear to such a personality, huh? How to become a favorite of Krishna? What mindset of devotees he likes? So this shloka very clearly explains the particular mindset, the particular psychology, the particular attitude we should have to become very dear to Krishna and achieve perfection. So this is from Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, shlokas 12 and 13. Adveshta sarva bhutanam maitra karuna evacha nirmamo nirahankara samasugadukka kshami santushta satatam yogi yatatma druda nishchayaha mayyarpita mano buddhir yo madbhakta same priyaha. So madbhakta same priyaha, such a kind of devotee. So it is not important, it is just not enough to become a devotee, but along with being a devotee, one should develop these beautiful qualities. One should be observant that whether these qualities are coming in me, then I am becoming more and more dear to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Yo madbhakta same priyaha. I want you to focus on this particular line here, right? Yo madbhakta same priyaha. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, please observe here. This line I have particularly underlined. Yo madbhakta same priyaha. If you want to become dear. So let's go one by one the qualities. One of the most important qualities, the first quality a devotee of Krishna should develop is adveshta sarva bhutanam. Dvesha. There should not be enmity towards other living beings. There should not be asahyata, asahane towards other living beings. So what kind of feeling we should have towards other living beings? Maitra and Karuna. Maitra and Karuna. Among people who are on our same level, we should develop Maitra. We should have friendliness. And people who are having the abhava or lacking in the needs and other things, or who are very disappointed, then Karuna should be shown, the compassion should be shown, some help should be given. So Maitra and Karuna is a very important approach towards other living beings. Adveshta, then don't have any negative feelings, enmity feelings. Adveshta sar bhutana maitra karuna yevacha. Very beautifully this is being given by Sri Krishna. So the approach towards other living beings. B.M. McDay also says is adveshta is the main quality for being healthy in life also. If dvesha is there, hatred is there, then it converts to so many diseases, cancer and other things. All diseases are due to because of dvesha. So love each other, love your relatives, love the other living beings. Don't comment, don't criticize unnecessarily. So adveshta sarva bhutana maitra karuna yevacha. Maitra and karuna should be applied in life. Nirmamo nirahankara. Then don't have the Lord Sri Krishna says nirmama. Nobody should feel that this is mine. Everything is God's. Sri Krishna has given. Every day we should be gratitude for the house, for the comforts the Lord has granted, and not have too much a feeling of ownership. Ahankara. And also developing ahankritaha, that I have done this, and developing pride related to the performance or one's achievements. One's achievements is because of Sri Krishna's grace and Sri Krishna's energy. His body is the energy of the Lord. So there is no credit to myself. Anaham karta hari karta. Hari is doing everything. He is the mobility principle. So my creativity, whatever my good skills in my body doesn't belong to me, but it is a grace, is a gift given by God, and we should always be giving credit to Him rather than saying aham kritaha, taking credit that I did this. Because I did this is aham kritaha, is ahankara. Sama sukha dukkha kshami. Sukha and dukkha, seeing equanimity response to the sukha and dukkha itself pleases the Lord. Seeing the seasons, Matra sparshasta kauntaya, sukha dukkha sitoshnadaya, sukha and dukkha, Sita and Vishnu. So it all starts with giving equal response to the seasons. So Shani Munde bantidu, Beskegala, so Jadi Male, Jurujuru Oditi, Halad Male. So these are kind of responses where there is no equanimity, so we should be careful. Right? Sama sukha dukkha kshami. Santushtaha, always contented with what we have. Santushtaha means whatever I have been granted at the time of birth, a certain set of wealth, a certain set of education and everything, be contented with that. Don't be over ambitious and do ugra karma to attain the over ambition. Be happy and cultivate bhakti to the Akhilatma. That is the core of life. Santushta, be santushta with the money, with the wealth, with all other things, whatever. A wife you have got, a husband you have got, don't keep on complaining. Be contented. Contentment is also, Maharshi Patanjali says, as one of the qualities important. Santushta satatam yogi yathatma dhrida nishchaya on the path of spirituality. Maya arpita manobuddhir. And internally our mind should always be thinking of the Krishna Leela, offering the mind to the Krishna Nama, Krishna Leela, always satatam. Maya arpita mano ye bhakta. So, positioning your mind on Krishna always and developing, having no enmity, adveshta, sarvabhuta, having no enmity to any living being, and developing maitra and karuna towards other living beings. These kind of qualities are very dear to me, and we can perfectly achieve perfection in this life. Easiest way to achieve perfection, because we become dear, we become priya to the Lord Himself. Hare Krishna. Vasudeva Bhagavad Pada.